What's up, Kira gang? It's your girl Kira Quintero back at it with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revived this old wig that I had. I think this wig is about a year and a half old. I just washed and deep conditioned it and just wanted to give it a new style, a new cut, just something, because it was just sitting in the corner of my room and I was like, I gotta do something with this. So like I said, I washed and conditioned it with some Ion products. I'm gonna put the description to all of those below. Then I wanted to put some curls into the wig. So I decided to use a 1-inch barrel curler, whatever it's called, curling iron. There we go. I decided to use a 1-inch curling iron. So I put the wig on my wig stand and I just went at it. It took me about 30 minutes to curl my whole head. So once I did that, I kind of liked the way the curls were sitting. And to make them stay, as you can see, I took that Got2b glue free spray and I sprayed it a little bit so the curls wouldn't fall too much. So after looking at all of the curls, I decided that they were just too loose for me. So I found this wand curler that I had in my stash of curlers. And I think it's 1/2 inch. It goes from 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. I could be wrong, but I think that's right. I don't know the name of the brand. I have to look it up. Once I find it, I'm going to put that information below as well on both the curling irons. But I decided to wand curl it because I wanted the curls to be slightly tighter and slightly smaller. With the regular curling iron, the curls are too big for the look I was trying to go for. So I just decided to put this wig in my lap. As you can see, excuse it's hair dye on my knee, but I decided to just curl it different ways, one going over, one going under, so the pattern wasn't the same. Once I was done curling the wig, I decided to put on a wig cap and just throw on the wig. My elastic band is pretty ghetto because, like I said, it's a very old wig and I didn't have time to like redo it, so I just decided to tie it up. Now you can see I'm like a little red Shirley Temple here, and I take some oil. I think this was some argan oil, and I just finger detangled the wig. Now I could have left the wig just like this, like it was cute, whatever, but I was like, nah, I need to do something. So I wanted to get like these bangs, not necessarily like the scissor bangs, but like some type of natural looking curly hair bang. So I got these shears from Sally's Beauty Supply, and they're from Oster Oster. I think they're really good. They were pretty expensive because I use these also to cut my natural hair. And once I find out which brand exactly they are, I'm going to put the link down below as well. So once I started cutting the bangs, I wanted to put some layers into the wig as well. You know, give it a natural curl flow. I just didn't want it to be too long. Since I was redoing this hair, I was like, yeah, let's just go ahead and cut it all off, right? So as you can see here, I have more volume on the right side than I do the left because I started to cut. So once I cut the rest off on camera because I couldn't see anymore. And yes, this ginger ale was so good. But after I cut it to the desired length I wanted to, I went back in with that wand curler and I curled the front just to make sure that everything was the right length that I wanted it to be. And nothing was like, I just wanted it to like look cute. I didn't know what I was going for, but I was like, it's starting to look cute. So let me go ahead and do what it do. And that's just about it, y'all. Like, I didn't recolor this hair. I don't remember what I did to color it a long time ago. But if you guys have an old closure wig and just want to do something new with it, try this. Like, I've gotten so many compliments on this wig so far, and I've been wearing it to work, and even people at work like it. So that's just about it. Someone once told me that a woman's hair is everything. So no matter if it's short, long, curly, or straight, love your hair, sis, and love yourself. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video.